From surf to sand, welcome to Meridian Living. Let's go take a look. The Meridian is one of the most well-maintained coastal amenity buildings in Long Beach. Today we're heading up to tour top floor unit 2409, a rare 3-bedroom residence with incredible ocean views, exceptional privacy, and resort-style amenities. From the moment you walk in, there's that ocean living calm. Imagine sitting here by the fireplace, looking at your ocean view with the waves crashing, and that view is not just from the living room, but also from 2 out of the 3 bedrooms. Where the energy of the city meets the calm of the Pacific. Welcome to life above the Long Beach coastline.